Yeah. Hello, all. I'm Saujanya Malawat from International Business Management. Now we are going to discuss about lean transformation in FedEx strengthening global logistics performance in the era of globalization. The module is Global Operations 7044 SSL. My teammates are Abhinesh Ravi and Babajan Sheikh. Introduction. Why lean in global logistics? In today's global logistics, landscape efficiency is crucial for competitiveness. FedEx Express operates more than 220 countries and manage millions of packages daily. Even minor inefficiencies can cause large-scale disruptions across its network. Economic pressure and rising customer expectations for same-day and overnight deliveries pushed FedEx to adapt lean management. This approach, inspired by Toyota's model, focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value. Lean helped FedEx streamline aircraft maintenance, reduce cost, and ensure faster turnaround times. By embracing lean, FedEx sustained its brand promise of reliability while maintaining service quality and controlling environmental impact. In 2008, when traditional systems became unsuitable or unsustainable, lean became the key to maintaining productivity and resilience. This introduction, this introduction highlights why FedEx lean in transformation was not merely a choice but a strategy necessary to thrive under the pressure of globalization, digitalization, and customer driven speed in the logistics sector. Coming to the next slide, globalization and FedEx operations. Globalization has intensified operational challenges for logistics giants like FedEx. The company's network covers more than 220 countries, handling 3.4 million packages and 11 million pounds of freight daily. This scale demands precious, and even small delays can affect global performance. While e-commerce and industry 4 4.0 accelerating demand for 1 or 2 day deliveries, FedEx must ensure continuous connectivity and real-time tracking for customers. This firm maintains around 360 large cargo aircrafts and 170 maintenance facilities globally to uphold on-time delivery standards. Lean principle implemented at FedEx Los Angeles hub helped increase aircraft C checks from 14 to 30 per year, while cutting labor hours from 32,715 to 21,535 per check. This operational transformation improved service speed and reliability while reducing the cost. FedEx successes illustrate how integrating lean within the global operations helps maintain efficiency, flexibility, and customer satisfaction across borders amid rising competitive and technological pressures. The next slide, uh, FedEx lean transformation is guided by five core lean principles: value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. This principle ensures operations align with customer priorities while reducing non-value activities. For example, mapping every step of aircraft maintenance exposure, delay and wasted movement, enabling task redesign for continuous workflow. The flow principle reduces bottlenecks by keeping aircraft active rather than idle, while pull ensures maintenance scheduling matched real operational needs. The perfection principle drives continuous improvement reflected in reducing labor hours and double maintenance capacity. The next slide. Lean at FedEx does not just improve efficiency, it emphasizes sustainability by lowering fuel use and resources waste. This structured approach ensures consistency of overnight delivery standards worldwide, even under fluctuating global conditions. By embedding lean deeply within its maintenance system. FedEx amplifies how operational discipline guided by lean philosophy can transform aviation logistics into a model of global excellence and sustainability. The next slide. Lean in logistics services. Lean implementations within FedEx Logistics Service have been delivered measured performance gains, aircraft turn around time, routing accuracy, and last mile delivery have all improved significantly. The company's use of digital own lean tools across its network comprising 680 aircraft, 650 airports, and 300 intra-Asia flights weekly, reduces idly inventory and optimized delivery schedule. At the LAX hub, standardized tool and part access reduces mechanics retrieval trips from 106 to 25 daily, improving efficiency and safety. Real-time data integration via APIs supports FedEx 3.4 million daily packages deliveries within minimal errors. These improvements aligns with Industry 4.0 principles combining automation and analytics and lean thinking to emphasize resilience. Lean success in logistics proves waste reduction and digital transformation are mutually reinforcing. FedEx operation excellence reflects its ability to deliver consistent, fast, and environmentally conscious service globally. A benchmark for logistics innovation and sustainable supply chain management in the era of globalization. The next slide will continue by my colleague. Thank you.
The next one I have explained
Vidya, can
about
you turn up your mic?
globalization. I have explained about globalization drivers. Several globalization factors have made lean indisposable for FedEx. Growing competition from DHL and UPS has intensified the need for faster, cost-efficient logistics. DHL leads in low-cost international deliveries, while UPS dominate domestic ground shipping, pressuring FedEx to enhance performance through lean driven improvements. Environmental regulation also demand greener operations. Lean practice have helped FedEx cut aircraft emission intensity by 27% and saved 255 million gallons of fuel. Simultaneously, the rise of e-commerce has increased demand for real-time delivery visibility, requiring digital workforce standardizations. Economic fluctuations such as the 2008 regression revolted operational in insufficiently that lean successfully addressed by reducing maintenance labor and avoiding outsourcing cost. The next one is just in time JIT inventory model. FedEx just in time model revolves its inventory management by aligning part availability with real-time maintenance needs. Rather than storing excess aircraft parts, FedEx now stock only essential components for immediate use. This approach minimizes space requirement, reduce cost, and enhance responsiveness. Maintenance stamps receive tool and material exactly when needed, preventing delays and avoiding unnecessary stockpiling. Before JIT implementation technicians spend up to 2.4 hours daily retrieving pots. After lean reduction, this reduced to 0.47 to 1.3 hours within 25 retrieval trips instead of 106. This system accurates aircraft or turnaround, reduced waste, and enhance operational flow. The next one is environmental impact benefits. Lean transformation has significant strengthened FedEx environmental performance through its fuel sense program and efficient routing. The company achieved a 13.8% of reduction in emission intensity and saved to 255 million gallons of fuel. Upgrading to Boeing 777F and 767 aircraft further reduced fuel consumption by up to 18%. Lean practice have also minimized unnecessary trip and ideal aircraft time, improving resource utilization and reducing carbon output. Automation in short-term sorting and maintenance hubs has lowered energy waste, while sustainable packaging intensive collected for 47.9 million pounds of recyclable metrics annually. And the next one is environmental challenges and risk. Despite sustainable progress, FedEx faces ongoing environmental challenges during its lean transformations. The adoption of automated system and green technologies requires high upfront capital investment, which can strain budget and amid global competitions. Additionally, Lane's emphasis on speed and performance sometimes crafted workplace pressure, causing employees stress or restraints. There is also the risk that prioritizing rapid turnaround might compress safety standard if not carefully balanced. Whiting remains a major sustainability hurdle as cargo flights still emit significant carbon despite efficiency gains. Next one, explain about our friends.
Thank you, Abhinesh. Can you please change the slide, please? Yeah, the slides explains about lean implementation strategy. FedEx lean implementation follows a three-phase strategic plan in which we have three phases, which is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 tells about expands digital lean tools across ground operations, integrating automation, RFID, and API-based tracking to reduce movement and improve visibility. Coming to phase 2, it introduces green lean in the air fleet by extending fuel analytics, upgrading aircraft, and aiming for 30% emissions intensity reduction by 2030. Coming to phase 3, focuses on workforce engagement, fostering lean capability training, safety awareness, and Kaizen-driven improvement cultures. Together, these phases ensure operational scalability, sustainability, and employee inclusion. The strategy demonstrates how FedEx integrates lean principles with Industry 4.0 technologies to maintain global competitiveness. By aligning digital transformation, global competitiveness, and environmental responsibility and human resource development, FedEx ensures that lean adoption is not just technical but holistic, creating lasting operational resilience, efficiency, and innovation in its worldwide logistics network. And coming to the next slide, we have mitigation strategy. This mitigation strategy addresses risks associated with lean transformation to counter employee resistance. The company promotes structured training, role redesign, and recognition programs that enhance motivation. For service disruptions caused by route or network changes, phased rollouts, and pilot testing ensure continuity. The high capital costs of automation and sustainability technologies are managed through ROI based prioritization, government incentives, and reinvestment of saving from lean initiatives. To prevent safety compromises, FedEx enforces PDCA cycles, audits, and customer feedback loops. Additionally, profitability risks during market imbalances are mitigated through waste elimination and smarter capacity management. These multi-layered measures demonstrate FedEx commitment to balancing operational efficiency with safety, quality, and financial sustainability. By embedding proactive risk management within lean practices, FedEx creates a culture of resilience, ensuring that transformation delivers value without undermining workforce stability or customer trust in a competitive global market. And coming to the next slide, we have lean performance measurement. In this lean performance measurement, FedEx measures key indicators focused on operational speed, service reliability, and sustainability. Core KPIs includes aircraft turnaround time, on-time, delivery rate, and routing optimization. Sustainability metrics such as carbon emission per shipment and facility energy use track progress towards long-term carbon neutral goals. Lean continuous improvement is sustained through the PDCA. It is known as Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, ensuring each initiative is reviewed and refined. Automation and RFID systems reducing sorting errors, enhancing visibility, and improve customer satisfaction. These data-driven assessments allow FedEx to adapt lean practices as market and environmental conditions evolve. Measuring both efficiency and ecological impact reflects FedEx integrated approach combining operational excellence with environmental responsibility. The company structured use of performance metrics exemplifies how Lean becomes a living framework, one that continuously evolves to sustain global competitiveness, precision, and innovation in logistics management. And the next slide will be the conclusion. To conclude, Lean adoption has transformed FedEx into a model of global logistics excellence. By integrating Lean tools and philosophies, the company has achieved faster turnaround times, cost efficiency, and service reliability while reducing waste and emissions. Practices like just-in-time inventory, automation, and digital workflow optimization support FedEx commitment to sustainability and customer satisfaction. Facing globalization pressures, FedEx has used Lean not just as a cost control method, but as a strategic enabler of innovation and environmental stewardship. Going forward, continuous improvement, employee engagement, and green lean practices will be vital for maintaining demands. Ultimately, FedEx demonstrates that lean transformation, when aligned with digital and environmental objectives, can deliver both operational and excellence and social responsibility, ensuring a sustainable competitive advantage in an increasingly interconnected world. And now we are going through the references. These are the references which we have used in these slides and in the PPT. And thank you for giving us the opportunity. Thank you.